Today, I'm starting this video in my car. As you can see, there's a lot I need to get done today. I need to go shop for some shelves for our kitchen makeover, and we also need to go shopping for backsplash. Obviously, guys, with the current pandemic, just gonna do a video of everything that I'm picking out and what I see, and I'll probably do a voiceover. Let's see what they got. People, welcome back to my channel. We got a totally different situation today. We are doing a mini vlog. There's so much for us to get done today for our kitchen makeover. I want to go to Ikea. As you can see, I'm already here getting ready to go in, but I first wanted to give you guys a heads up on what the plan is for today. I want to go pick out shelves for the kitchen. Also, I want to look at the pendant lighting, because if you watch my last video, you would know that I'm getting most of my stuff for the kitchen makeover from Amazon, but I wasn't too sure about what lighting I wanted to get, and that there was one on the Ikea website that I had my eye on, but I want to see it in person to see if it's big enough or if it's even nice enough. The next plan for today is that after I leave Ikea, I want to head to Lowe's and see what their backsplash options are, because we finally got our countertops in, guys, and I'm excited. They look so good. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you should check out this video that actually goes into the different type of countertops and the countertops that I was thinking about getting. But yeah, guys, love the countertop. So today we're going to look for matching backsplash, and we're also going to look for new blinds to cover up that window in the kitchen. The blinds are in good condition. It's just that it's all flowery and outdated patterns on there. So that's why I want to look for a newer option, but we'll see. But let's first get Ikea out the way, then we'll head over to Lowe's and see what they have as options for backsplash, and see you guys then. Surprisingly, guys, Ikea had a bigger selection of shelves, more than I expected. They had the white with the detailing on the edge. They had solid white, and they had several other colors like this neutral color, which I thought that nice wood would balance out the white in our kitchen. They had dark brown, they had stainless steel, and they had gray. And after speaking it over with my husband, we decided that we would go with the stainless steel. Now it was time for us to actually decide what kind of handles we wanted to use to actually hold up the shelves, and there were so many different options. Like you see this black one. Obviously we decided to go with the stainless steel. So honestly, we didn't really like neither one of the options. We didn't want the black, we didn't want the neutral, and we really didn't want to go with the metal black. I just didn't like the L bracket altogether. I thought it would be an eyesore. I think it would make our kitchen look more like a farmhouse. So we decided to go with these sidebar racks that actually can go with the shelves that we are getting. After picking up our shelves, we stopped by the lighting department, guys, to check out the globes we saw online, and they look even better in person. They look so pretty. They had so many great selections in the store, guys. So we decided to go with the glass globe, and actually it was a gift from my aunt who gave us some gift cards for our anniversary, so that worked out great. And as planned, from there we went straight to the curtains and blinds section, which was also on the way down, so that worked out perfect. And guys, I'm just gonna let you know, there wasn't much left there. All the ones that we did have I have our eyes on, they were either too small or they were out of stock, so that was a fail. So we decided to just head out and, you know, start making our way towards the registers with what we had. But of course, we couldn't do that without first stopping by the clearance department. And boy, I'm happy that I did. As usual, I found some great items. And you will not believe that they had so many different type of lightings on clearance. There nothing I was interested in, but then I found this. I found the heads
that I can use for the glass globe that we're buying for the pendant lights in the kitchen, and it was on clearance. The only problem is that it's gold and I'm looking for black. But you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring it to code, and of course I will DIY and spray paint it. Then from there we headed to Lowe's and look for some backsplash, and they had some great options. Guys, look at this selection, and this is the color scheme we're looking for: grays, whites, neutral kind of colors, because as you can tell, we did get marble countertops and it is a lighter color, and we want something in the same scheme. And we saw these patterns and I was obsessed with these patterns, but my husband wasn't. So we got one of each sample, and we're gonna see what it looked like at the house and then make a decision from there. And hopefully we'll come to a decision about that. And then from there, as you can see, we went and checked out the blind section. And guys, we could not find our window sizes, and it would have to be custom made. And the prices were more than we expected and more than we wanted to spend. So you know what I came up with? I decided that we're just going to paint the blinds and figure it out from there, because it's in great condition. They were already custom fitted, so why create something new when we already have what we have? So yeah, we're gonna DIY and paint all the blinds and see how that works out, and then take it from there. I know it sounds crazy, but it sounds super simple. All we want is white. And then from here, what you're seeing is Home Depot. We did last minute stop by Home Depot just to make sure we didn't miss out on any other backsplash options. And we did find some very interesting pieces, like this one right here. It looks similar to the one at Lowe's, but the patterns were different. And it looked like it was a sticky marble where you just stick it to the wall, which was very interesting. I've never seen that before. And I was like, what if we just do this ourselves and save ourselves at least $700 to have it installed by maybe using this sticky technology where basically it's real marble and it has like a stickiness on the back, and then you stick it on the wall and it's supposed to adhere just like as if you had it professionally made. So guys, we might have another project that we might be doing. I'm really thinking about this. But first we have to decide between the different patterns and this and see which one we end up choosing. We're gonna bring a sample home and see which one looks best with our marble countertops. And we saw more sticky options for backsplashes, but this one was the only one that was actually real marble. The rest of them were plastic, and we definitely do not want plastic. So guys, like I said, we decided that I'm going to actually try to repaint or paint these blinds and give it a facelift. My husband wasn't too fond of the idea, but I was like, let's give it a try. It doesn't hurt. We already have the blinds. If it looks good, great, we save some money. If it doesn't look good, then we'll go the last route, which is buying new ones. But the custom fit one would have took longer for us to have it pre-ordered, and two, it was going to cost us way more money than we expected to spend. And it was actually pretty easy to remove. We also got these pack of clips from Home Depot. I think it was like $5 in case you have one that's broken, which I did. I had two that was broken, but I was able to get that set to try to remove it and just replace it, because I figured if it's only going to cost me $5 to replace the piece that was broken, then why not? And it was only the head, as you can see, and it was super easy to come off. And the kit comes with a replacement. You put the replacement piece in there and you're able to connect your blinds back on there. Now let's just hope that the painting works out as planned. And guys, we'll save that for the next video, and the next video will hopefully be the kitchen reveal, but it'll be a lot going on in that video, and it's going to be a long video so we can just wrap up this whole kitchen series, guys, because I don't know if you're over it, but I'm over it. It was so much work put into this kitchen, and I can't wait to get it all done. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and that will be the kitchen reveal video, but just know it's going to be long. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already done so, like, comment, subscribe. And thank you guys. I completely forgot to say this on the last 2 videos. Thank you. We have reached 5,000 subscribers. Yay! So yeah, couldn't have done it without you guys. I'm going to stop rambling and see you guys on the next video.